Please tell me why you are in 2026 and you don't have a portfolio, right? They ask you to send your portfolio, you are sending Google link. In 2026, well, you can easily create a portfolio with Clade AI. So very quickly, let me teach you how to do that. It's a very, very simple process. So you don't have to be, especially if you are creative, you are into mobile videography, you are into videography, you are into content creation, whether for brand or personally, you are into editing, video editing, motion graphic design, web development, you are into anything that has to do with maybe UI UX, and you don't have a portfolio. You don't have to pay a web developer to be able to develop a portfolio. It's very simple, right? And I'm also going to be doing another one of creating, how to create a portfolio with Canva. But for today, we are just going to be using an AI tool called Clade AI. Clade AI is free to sign up, right? If you've never signed up before, just go to claude.ai and you'll be able to sign up with your Gmail. But I've been able to sign up. That's why you're seeing it here. And so on the left hand side, we have several things like open chat bar, you see new chat, you say chat, you say project. But for this one, we are going to be using what we call artifact. I don't know if I pronounce it right, but artifact. And this is what I've been able to create so far, just with a prompt. I was able to do it with a prompt. I did not even, it's just a prompt. I just asked it to create a portfolio for me as a videographer and also maybe an editor. So if I open this, let me open it, you see how it looks like. But we are going to create our own too. Just watch this video to the end and I'm going to show you how to use the same prompt. It doesn't have to be very difficult. There are templates that are already there for you to use. So you see, and you can also publish it. That's the interesting thing about using Claude to be able to create your portfolio. You can also publish it. You can publish it for people to see. You can send it to that client. That client that is always asking you to send your portfolio. And trust me, as a creative, this is an opportunity for you because it's going to land you more gigs than you ever imagined. All right, so very quickly, so if I do publish, this is the link. So let me copy the link here and just paste it. So paste it. You are going to see what I created within just minutes. But not to waste much of our time, when this one open, I'm going to show you how my portfolio looks like. That's not the actual portfolio I use. Actually, I use something else to create my portfolio, but of course I just want to show you what I did with Clade AI. And see, you don't even have to pay, you don't even have to use the paid version. I just use the free version to be able to do this. How much more with the paid version? So let me go my network. All right, so new, let's go to a new artifact. New, you click on new, right? This is still opening. New, so click on new. So you see several options there. Do you want to build apps and website, document and templates, maybe document and template for slideshows? You want to build a game, you can build a game. Productivity tool, creative project, quiz and survey. Or you want to start from the scratch? I don't want to start from the scratch. I want to build an app and website. But in this case, it's going to be a portfolio. So I'm just going to tweak it. Okay, so it's thinking, great choice, let's build something awesome, get started together. What's the main purpose? So I'll say, as a creative, so let me do this. As a creative, I want to have just simple pronto. I want to have a portfolio for my video editing and motion graphics. I hope you are following. And motion graphics gigs. Full stop. You can say my name is, let me say my name is Ojeks-T. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I wonder what you are doing here. My name is Ojeks-T, and go. So let's see our results. We are trying to build a portfolio from the scratch using AI and nothing more, nothing less. So let's see what we are going to get from here. It's loading. So he said, okay, love it, something dark, blah blah blah. Do you want a coca style? Preference? No. Okay. So let me see. I love it. The portfolio for a video editor is a great way to start another. I'll say yes. Yes. That is yes. So let me put yes. Yes, thank you. So sometimes it's good to thank AI. They have been doing a lot. Some of you don't. Some of you, most of the things you're achieving is because of Claude or because of ChatGPT. I love your energy, but I still need you to pick something. Okay, what am I going to pick? Okay, let us pick gold. Okay, let's pick this one. I love dark and cinematic. Naturally love dark and cinematic. So it's asking us to pick what do you want? You want it to show reels, demo reels, gallery, your works, about me, I want it, services and prices, people should be able to see my price, and contact or hire me. I love this also, and click on go. Don't skip, make sure you don't skip. So I love, okay, pick an accent color vibe. We can go with gold. Gold is not a bad thing, but I'd have loved to say something else. If you don't like any of it, you can simply just tweak it to say, oh, can I go with bold black or something? So in this case, I'm just going to go with gold. Let's go with gold, and there we go. So we are going with gold. All right, good. Here is the plan for the portfolio. Ojeks-T portfolio website overall, dark cinematic background, blah blah blah, hero this. So it's giving us a summary of what we are creating, and let's see what Claude is going to do. Does it match your vision? Say the word and I'll build it. So does it match my vision? Yes. I'll say yes, it does. It does. And let's go. Let's see what we have. I'm so excited, guys, because this is especially for my fellow creative who are trying to, especially people who are trying to come up within the creative space, and trying to leverage with their skill, with their talent, with what they can actually offer, with their value. So, because sometimes we usually think it's all about just having the skill. You see, you can have the skill and not have the marketing mindset, or don't know how to market the skill. If you have the skill and you don't know how to market your skill, you'll just be as good as somebody who doesn't have the skill. So Claude is creating it for us, so we can wait a bit. But if you have the marketing mindset alongside with the skill, it's a plus for you. So make sure that as you are developing the skill, you have the skill. Also develop your marketing strategy. And maybe in my next video, I'm going to teach us how to, especially if you're a videographer, a video editor, how to get clients, how to get people to work for, either as a volunteer, or maybe as a volunteer, or someone to work with brands, basically. So it's generating this. So let's see how it's going to come out, because I'm so excited at the same time, nervous, because it's just a great tool. It's a great tool because it's a great tool for many people that have been looking at, how am I going to pay a web developer to develop my portfolio? What am I going to do? I don't want to use Google Workspace again. I don't want to do this or that. This is a great one. So let's see. I'm excited about this. Okay. Services. Okay, good. Contact. Good. So it's writing it. So someone else asked a question that, what if you want to debug? There's something we call debugging in coding. How do you get to do that? It's very simple. If you open is it VS Code now? VS Code, and you copy all this code into your VS Code, you can easily tweak it. So this, there's HTML, CSS, and Java. So you can easily tweak some of those things. to suit what you actually want. And honestly, this is the best so far. It is the best so far. This is the best so far. If you are not using Claude, I don't know what you are using. So let's see. And this is beautiful, 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 this is beautiful. I'm excited about this, so it will take a little bit of time. Okay. Ojeks-T portfolio. I'm excited. Okay, let me just note now. Woo! Can you see our website? Oh, I see the flow. Can you see our website? Okay, you know what? Let me just publish this. Publish and copy. So I want to put it on a different web page so that we can see it better. Just like this one that I showed us earlier. Oh, it didn't open. Okay. One person was able to see this. I guess that's good. So let me copy this. Let me paste it and go. I don't know why this one don't open. So I'm trying to open this, so let's see it together. I'm so excited, guys, because there's no way you send what you're about to see now. There's no way you send it to anybody that, you know, anybody that wants a creative, that wants a videographer, a video editor, a motion graphics designer, and they will not fall for it. They will not. There's no way they will not fall for it. There's no way. There's no way. Like, bro. Okay. And you can also customize it too, but that's not where I'm going. So okay, so this is it. Open. I can't wait to see this, guys. But before then, you can see it from here. You can see this is the code. You want to see all the code, you can easily copy this code. If you are a very good web developer, you can easily copy this code and use it. I use it for your anything you want to use it for, basically. So this is it. You can copy, download that HTML. So HTML, if you use VS Code, it will be very easy for you. So this is published. Open now. Open. It's user generated. Why now? Why? It opened before. Okay. I guess I need to let me see. It opened before. I'm trying to open it here again. But let's look at it from here. I guess my network is just slow. But if you open it, it will still be exactly the way it is. So let me expand this. Because I'm so excited. So you can see it, guys. You see that Ojeks-T video editor, motion graphics. I can able to tweak it. That's a tweak. Sorry. I can tweak it to say, okay, I want it to be like a background kind of motion, you know, when you open it, kind of. So you can see. Oh, let me quickly charge my system. So let me quickly charge my system. Charging. Let me charge my system. Is it plugged? I hope it is. I hope it is. I hope it is. My system is plugged. So it's not gonna go off. Because this is so exciting, guys. Is it plugged? Why is it not plugged? What's going on? Okay. What's going on? Just a minute. I guess it is plugged. Alright, so well, very quickly, this is how it works. So this is it. You can see the works. You can see all of this. So if I play it, it will also play. But let's keep all that. Project gallery, be able to show your gallery, all your edits, this and that. You scroll up, you can see them. This is writing the creative behind the frame. I'm Ojeks-T, a passionate video. Oh my god. I'm Ojeks-T, a passionate video con graphics, this one. Nepa, Nigeria. Can't blame me. So I'm Ojeks-T, emotion. Kilo day. This is so beautiful. See my package 50k. See it 150k. You can see it. You can see, let's create something great together. See a form. Come on, man. You are the best. You just won the best. You win the best gig. You understand what I'm saying? You win the best gig. So if you are not following this channel, make sure you follow this channel. And make sure you follow this channel. Make sure you follow this channel. Subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'm going to be dropping great I'm going to be dropping great content just like this. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Okay.